Welcome to Easy English Talks podcast.
Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English Talks podcast. Today, we will practice daily routine English sentences. From morning to night, listen carefully, repeat after me, and shadow the sentences to improve your speaking and listening skills. Watch until the end of the video for full practice and maximum improvement. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any English lessons. Let's get started. First, let me tell you about my morning routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is too early to wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I like to keep my teeth clean, so I brush them every morning. I wash my face. After that, I take a shower. Sometimes I don't have time to take a shower, so I just wash my face and hands, getting dressed. I get dressed. I put on my favorite shirt today. Do you have any favorite shirts? I eat breakfast. My mom makes delicious pancakes for me. Yummy. I always eat breakfast at home. I drink coffee. I love drinking coffee. I know that many people drink tea, but not me. I pack my bag. I have to pack my bag because I take some things to school. I leave home. Here it is. It's our school. I walk to school. When I was young, I walked to school. We usually walk to school when we are kids. I take the bus to work. Taking the bus is so convenient. I really like taking the bus to work. I meet my friends. I often meet my friends before work. They're my best friends. I start work. This is my first task. I have to do a lot of things today. I have to do many tasks at work. Now let's talk about my afternoon routine. I take a break at 12 p.m. It's lunchtime now. I eat lunch. I have brought my lunchbox from home. Oh, there is an apple in it. I love apples. I drink water. Drinking enough water is important for your health. I talk to my friends. Talking to friends is always nice. I have to work until 5 p.m. I continue my work. I have a lot of things to do. I check my emails. I open my email. There is a message from my boss. I answer messages. Answering messages is important. You have to answer messages quickly. I make a phone call. I need to make an important phone call. I attend a meeting. I have to attend an important meeting now. At the meeting, I talk about my project. I study English for 30 minutes. Studying a foreign language is so interesting. Today we are learning new vocabulary. I learn English by watching videos. I listen to English podcasts. Listening to podcasts is very useful. It helps improve your listening skills. I practice speaking English. Speaking English is hard for me. That's why I practice every day. And finally, let's talk about my evening routine. I finish work and school at 5 p.m. It's time to go home. I go home. I'm happy that I finished work early today. I relax on the sofa. Relaxing on the sofa is so comfortable. I watch TV. Watching TV is relaxing. I can watch my favorite program now. I read a book. Reading books is one of my hobbies. I read different books in my free time. I cook dinner. Cooking dinner is fun. I like cooking chicken and rice. I eat dinner. Dinner is ready. I invite my family to eat dinner. We eat dinner together. I clean the dishes. I clean the dishes after dinner. It's my duty to clean the dishes. I take a shower. I like taking showers in the evening. I wash my body. I feel much cleaner after taking a shower. I talk to my family. I talk to my family in the evening. I spend time with my parents and sister. I check my phone. Checking your phone is important. You may miss some important messages. I listen to music. Listening to music is relaxing. I go for a walk. Going for a walk in the evening is so nice. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. Preparing my clothes for tomorrow will save me time in the morning. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I like going to bed early. Going to bed early is healthy. I sleep 8 hours a day. Let's repeat all sentences slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I pack my bag. I leave home. I walk to school. I take the bus to work. I meet my friends. I start work. I take a break at 12 p.m. I eat lunch. I drink water. I talk to my friends. I continue my work. I check my emails. I answer messages. I make a phone call. I attend a meeting. I study English for 30 minutes. I listen to English podcasts. I practice speaking English. I finish work and school at 5 p.m. I go home. I relax on the sofa. I watch TV. I read a book. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I clean the dishes. I take a shower. I talk to my family. I check my phone. I listen to music. I go for a walk. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Now, try to say these sentences on your own. You can write down these sentences in a notebook or save this video and watch it again. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the like button. Your feedback is highly appreciated. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Now, let me give you some tips on how you can use this video for practice. First, you can use these sentences to describe your daily routine. For example, you can say, I wake up early, I get dressed, I eat breakfast, and then I go to work. Second, you can use these sentences to ask your friend or your colleague about his or her daily routine. For example, what time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Third, you can listen to this video and repeat after the speaker. It's a great way to improve your pronunciation and listening skills. Fourth, you can write down new words and review them regularly. Using flashcards is a great way to memorize new words. Finally, you can share this video with your friends and practice together. It's always more fun to practice with friends. Now, let's talk about the structure of this lesson. The lesson is divided into 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. Each part describes what the speaker does at a particular time of the day. The vocabulary used in this lesson is appropriate for a 1 to a 2 level students. We've included common phrases and expressions that are used when talking about daily routines. Additionally, we've provided you with a downloadable PDF file that contains all the sentences from the lesson. You can use it to review the lesson after watching this video. In the next episode, we'll talk about weekend routine. You can use these sentences to describe what you do during the weekend. In the meantime, you can download the PDF file with all the sentences from this lesson and review them regularly. Flashcards are a great tool for memorizing new words. You can make flashcards with new words from this lesson. Also, if you want to improve your listening skills, you can listen to this video and take notes. You can write down new words and review them regularly. Using flashcards is a great way to memorize new words. Finally, you can share this video with your friends and practice together. It's always more fun to practice with friends. See you soon. Thank you for listening.
Hello, I'm here. Let me tell you about a day in my life. My name is Sarah. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. First, I get out of bed and make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower and get dressed. I like wearing comfortable clothes. Today I'm going to wear a t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers. Sometimes I wear a dress or skirt, but today I prefer jeans. After that, I go to the kitchen and eat breakfast. I usually have bread, eggs, and a cup of coffee. My favorite food is eggs. I love eating them for breakfast. When I have time, I also eat fruits. But today, I don't have time. It's almost 8 o'clock. I must leave home. I live close to work, so I don't need to drive. I can take the bus. The bus stop is 2 blocks from my home. Every day, I take the number 7 bus. It's green. When the bus arrives, I pay the driver and then I sit down. There are many students on the bus. They go to school. I wave to them and smile. I always say good morning to people. It makes me happy. When I arrive at work, my colleagues say hello to me. I work in a nice office. There are many plants and flowers. I love my job. I'm a secretary in a big company. My boss is very kind. She trusts me. I work from Monday to Friday from 8 to 5. On Mondays, I'm usually busy because on Mondays I receive important phone calls. Today, I must call Mr. Wilson. He will visit our city and I must book a hotel for him. I take notes and make appointments. I also check my emails. I read the most important news. Today, I must read an article about the new iPhone. It will be launched next month. I think it will be very expensive. At 9 a.m., I have a meeting with the marketing department. We must plan the advertising campaign for the new product. Our company produces ecological cleaning products. They are very popular among young people. Now we must launch a new advertising campaign. I suggest posting videos on YouTube. We must hire a good advertising agency. I write down all the ideas and suggestions. This meeting lasts for 1 hour. Then the marketing department leaves. They go to another meeting. I go back to my desk and continue my work. It's lunchtime. I say goodbye to my colleagues and go to the cafeteria. I eat lunch with my friends. We talk about the new project and laugh a lot. I love spending time with them. Usually I have chicken or fish. Today I eat chicken with rice and broccoli. It's very tasty. For dessert, I eat an apple. Then I drink a cup of coffee. I don't drink alcohol. I never smoked. I know that smoking is bad for health. I walk a little around the building and then go back to the cafeteria. I continue chatting with my friends for half an hour. Then we go back to our offices. I return to my desk and continue working. I must finish this project before the end of the week. It's a very important project for our company. We want to open new markets. At 3 p.m., I have a video conference with the London office. I discuss the new project with my boss. She's very busy, so she must go in the middle of the meeting. I talk to her assistant. He's very friendly. He asks me how I'm doing and if I need anything. He says that he will send me the presentation by email. Then the meeting ends. I say goodbye to the participants and turn off my computer. I check my emails and make an appointment for tomorrow. It's 5 p.m. I pack my things and go home. When I leave work, I usually go shopping. But today I'm going to meet my friend Maria. We're going to exercise in the park. The park is very close to my home. It has many trees and a beautiful lake. I love walking along the lake. It's relaxing. There are many people in the park. Some people play sports. Others walk their dogs. It's a perfect place to relax after work. Maria arrives and we go for a walk. We talk about our work and personal lives. We laugh a lot. It's very nice to meet friends after work. We exercise for 1 hour. Then we go home. I'm a little tired, so I sit down on the sofa and watch TV. But my mom calls me. She invites me to go shopping. I put on my sneakers again and go with my mom. We walk around the mall for 1 hour. We enter different stores, but I don't buy anything. I only buy some fruit for my dad. He loves fruits. He has diabetes, so he can't eat sugar. I buy apples and oranges. Then we go home. When I arrive home, I hug my dad. He's very happy. He was waiting for me. I give him the fruits and he thanks me. I kiss my mom and dad goodbye and go to my room. I change my clothes and wash my face. I'm hungry. So I go to the kitchen. Mom prepared my favorite meal, pasta with vegetables. It's delicious. I eat everything. Then I help mom wash the dishes. Then I go to the living room and sit down on the sofa. I turn on the TV and watch my favorite show. I like watching TV. It relaxes me after a hard day. Then my family and I sit down together to watch a movie. We talk during the commercial breaks. We laugh and joke around. It's very nice to spend time with my family. We watch movies and series together. We like watching documentaries about nature. It's 9 p.m. I say goodbye to my family. I go to my room and lie down in bed. I read a book for 1 hour. I love reading books. I like reading stories. Then I turn off the light and sleep. That was a typical day in my life. How about you? What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? Do you go to work? Do you have a lot of work? Tell me about your daily routine. Please write your comments below. I'll be glad to read them. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.